Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of muscle SUVs with the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. This beastly three-row performance machine has long been the go-to for families who refuse to sacrifice power for practicality. For 2026, Dodge refines the Hellcat formula, keeping its outrageous performance intact while dialing up style, comfort, and technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Durango SRT Hellcat more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with an aggressive stance that sets it apart from the crowd. A reworked front fascia with larger intakes and a meaner grille improves cooling and road presence. Sleek LED headlamps and updated taillights sharpen its profile, while wide fender flares and bold wheel designs hint at the muscle hiding underneath. Subtle aerodynamic tweaks not only improve looks but also enhance high-speed stability, performance, and powertrain. Under the hood lies the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, still roaring with over 700 horsepower. Paired with a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, the Hellcat rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds. Mind-blowing for a full-size SUV. Dodge has tuned the suspension for sharper handling while keeping ride comfort in check, and massive Brembo brakes ensure it stops as fiercely as it accelerates. Safety and technology. The 2026 Hellcat blends muscle with modern smarts. Inside, a 12-inch touchscreen runs the latest Uconnect system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Performance pages return, giving drivers real-time stats like G-forces and launch control data. Safety features include adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced driver assist systems, making this monster SUV easier to tame in everyday driving. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is the ultimate blend of family utility and raw American horsepower. With updated design, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched performance, it proves you really can have it all. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the cars that move the world.